Imagine a world where there are more dimensions than just the three we know. What if there are hidden realms waiting to be discovered? Dimensions are like layers of reality. We experience only 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time in our daily lives. In the first dimension, there is only a line. In the second dimension, we see shapes and surfaces. But what comes next? The third dimension introduces depth, allowing us to perceive the world as solid objects. How does this change our perspective? But what if beyond our 3 dimensions there existed more? Space-time theories suggest the possibility of extra dimensions. These additional dimensions could explain bizarre phenomena in physics and even predict behaviors of gravity and particles. Imagine if we could manipulate these extra dimensions. What kind of technology or travel would that allow us? Traveling to another dimension could redefine how we perceive existence, introducing new forms of life and landscapes. As exciting as it sounds, crossing into another dimension brings its own set of mysteries and challenges. Can we even survive? This journey through dimensions is not just science fiction. It's a potential exploration of reality we cannot ignore. Stick around as we explore the theories and implications of traveling to another dimension. The adventure is just beginning. What if our universe is just one slice of a much larger cosmic cake? Scientists propose multiple dimensions that exist alongside our familiar 3-dimensional world. Consider the concept of parallel dimensions. Imagine a universe where every choice creates a new reality, leading to endless possibilities. String theory suggests the existence of multiple dimensions beyond the ones we can perceive. These dimensions could be tiny and curled up, hidden from our view. The concept of dimensions extends beyond space. Time is often viewed as a 4th dimension, adding depth to our experience of the universe. We also explore dimensions through the lens of physics. Some theories propose up to 11 dimensions, reshaping our understanding of reality. If interdimensional travel were possible, it could not only redefine our place in the universe, but also unlock secrets of existence we've yet to understand. Just imagine stepping through a portal and experiencing a world where gravity behaves differently, or colors are experienced in new ways. Exciting, isn't it? This idea of traveling to alternate dimensions challenges our understanding of space and time. Could time travel also become a reality in these dimensions? While we remain grounded in our own dimension, the pursuit of understanding others intrigues scientists and adventurers alike. The mysteries are countless. This journey through the science of dimensions captivates our imagination. Let's explore further into this realm of possibilities. As we hypothesize about other dimensions, we must also consider the fundamental laws of physics. How would these laws change in worlds beyond our own? Imagine stepping into a world where everything around you flips upside down. Alternate dimensions could surprise us with realities we've never dreamed of. In one dimension, time might run backward, causing past events to unfold in front of us. What would it be like to witness your life in reverse? Another dimension might have different physical laws. Imagine a place where colors are sounds, and gravity is just a suggestion. What if in another dimension life evolved differently? Animals could look completely unusual and possess completely different abilities. Alternate dimensions may even change how we perceive reality. Picture seeing the world through the eyes of an artist, with every hue and shade amplified. How would our relationships change in an alternate dimension? Would we connect with completely different beings or forms? Consider a dimension where technology evolves at a different pace. Devices might behave more like organic life, adapting to their users. Some dimensions could combine reality with fantasy seamlessly. Imagine a world where magic and science coexist in perfect harmony. In a dimension of parallel lives, what choices led to different outcomes? We might meet versions of ourselves with vastly different experiences. But what about the emotions we carry? In alternate dimensions, feelings could be expressed in different colors or shapes, reflecting our inner states. As we ponder these possibilities, we may wonder, what experiences await if we could bridge these dimensions? The adventure might just be beginning. Imagine stepping into another dimension. How would our lives change? Would we encounter alternate versions of ourselves, and what would they reveal about us? This journey might allow us to explore different paths humanity could have taken. What if one choice could unlock new opportunities or relationships? In alternate dimensions, we might discover new technologies and innovations beyond our imagination. How could these advances transform our lives on Earth? Understanding other dimensions might also change our perspective on time. Could we learn from the past and shape our future without the confines of linear time? Traveling to another dimension could lead us to new forms of life. What wisdom might these beings have about the universe and our place in it? With new dimensions, we could encounter truths about our existence. What if our challenges here are lessons reflected in these other realities? The idea of traveling to another dimension raises ethical questions. Would we intervene in other realities or respect their autonomy? Could we forge alliances with beings from other dimensions? Collaboration could lead to monumental advancements, uniting various forms of intelligence. The possibilities of alternate dimensions could redefine human culture. How might art, philosophy, and science evolve through these new experiences? Ultimately, exploring other dimensions might inspire us to cherish our reality more. What insights can we gather from alternate realms to improve our own existence? As we contemplate these thoughts, the journey of understanding dimensions ignites our curiosity. What awaits us if we dare to explore these possibilities?